Hey there, gents. Today, I'm going to share some insider tips on how to get the best results from Viagra. Whether you're new to it or just looking to optimize its effects, stick around. This is crucial stuff. First things first, let's talk about timing. Viagra stays active in your system for about 4 to 6 hours, and it generally peaks within 1 to 2 hours. So for best results, take Viagra on an empty stomach about an hour before you anticipate some action. Trust me, this small adjustment can make a big difference. Now, a quick heads up on what to avoid. Skip the high-fat meals and alcohol before taking Viagra. A heavy meal or a couple of drinks can slow down its absorption, making it less effective. No one wants that, right? And remember, follow the instructions to the letter. Don't take more than the prescribed dose, thinking it'll work better. More isn't always merrier when it comes to medication. Take it as needed. You can take it every day, but if you don't need it or don't plan to engage in sexual activity, give it a pass. Planning a romantic weekend away? Consider other options like Cialis. Cialis or tadalafil can stay effective for about 17 hours, offering more flexibility compared to Viagra. It might even be more cost-effective for those longer sessions. Another important factor? Your testosterone levels. You need a good level of sexual desire and reasonably normal testosterone levels for Viagra to work effectively. If your testosterone is low, Viagra might not perform as well. So, have a chat with your doctor about this. Now, what if it's not working well or causing side effects? You might need to adjust your dose. Higher doses can increase the chance of side effects, but some men find the standard dose isn't enough. Again, consult your healthcare provider. They'll help you find that sweet spot. So, let's recap. Viagra generally starts working within half an hour and peaks around 1 to 2 hours after taking it. While it can stay in your system for up to 24 hours, it's most effective within that 4 to 6 hour window. You can take it daily, but only use it as needed. Work with a qualified healthcare professional to find the optimal dose for you while minimizing the risk of side effects. Follow these tips, and you'll be well on your way to maximizing the benefits of Viagra. Alright, that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. Catch you next time.